Welcome once again. So today we're making cassava and we're using the leftover cassava for last night. So what we need is some salt to taste. And then we have here garlic. We're going to put 3 cloves of garlic or 4 depending on what you like. As for me, I'm going to use 4. Then some ginger, fresh ginger. Now you add the mixed spices of your choice, just a teaspoon. Some water to help mix the spices onto the cassava. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now you mix until you see that the spices are all over the cassava, and then you leave to rest for 15 minutes or 30 depending on the time you have. Now we are mixing the dough that we are going to use, the mixture of the flour and then the salt and baking powder. Then you can also put some little spices if you like spices anyway. This is 1 cup flour, baking flour or all-purpose flour, the flour that you have. Then now you mix with water and make sure you have that consistency where you can put the cassava and it sticks on the cassava. Don't make it very loose or very light. Now it's important to put little water at a time so that you don't find that you've made it very loose or very light. So you keep putting little water until you see the consistency that you want. Now here it's done, you see. So now we are going to start frying. Put 1 liter of cooking oil and then let's start frying. When the oil is hot, we start frying. Put the cassava, the spiced cassava into the dough, the mixture, then you put in the oil. That is the consistency that we want for the dough so that it can stick properly on the cassava. And then we start frying until we wait until golden brown. You can also fry it without the mixture or the dough. It's also tasty, crispy and then soft inside. You can also fry it without dough. You test, do it 2 ways. 2 ways with dough and without dough, and you test. It's golden brown. Now we are getting out of the oil. So these are the two ways we made, one with dough and one without dough. It's ready. You see, this is the outcome. Very tasty, soft in the inside. It's just tasty. Try it at home, you'll like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.